So next fifth program is about a function that accepts a pointer to an array and sort array of integer. So previous program was array of pointers. Now it is pointer to an array. So first pointer is there, next array is there. So in the previous program, that is fourth program, it first array was there, next it is pointer is there. Okay. So we have solved that program. That is, we have sorted that ascending order using bubble sort. That is the fourth program which I have done. Here it is. This is the fourth program. So which contains the array of pointers, array of integer using array of pointer. Here it is. Okay. So now next is the fifth program. Here they have told we have to use the function that accept a pointer to an array and sort array of integer. Means we have to create a separate function, not inside the main function we have to write the logic. We have to create a separate function that is called function, which defines the function that we have to call it. Understood? So here, assuming you have understanding, see I have written here explanation also. So what exactly the pointer to an array means? First it will create a pointer star p. Next a normal variable is there. This array, this is the normal array without any pointer, will be assigned to p. And after that what it will do? So means what? Pointer, this p is there, it is indirectly pointing to this variable, that is balance. So if we want to call this balance, if we want to display the values from this balance, then we have to use this type of techniques, that is p plus 1, p plus 2, star in bracket p plus 1, that we have to use. Okay. So here the code is there. So in this code what is there? Hash include std.h main function a of 10 ni, enter number of elements. The number of elements has been entered. After that what it will do? It will accept the element one by one, it will accept all the elements, and then it will call the, this is known as calling function. What it will do? It will call the function that is sort function, and where that sort function is defined, it is defined here. Just a minute. The sort function is defined below. So here it is, the sort function which is defined. So this is a technique which is same as bubble sort only. Okay, it is not different like, so in the previous this one, what is that? There it is. In Notepad I have already explained how the bubble sort. If you haven't understood, please check the last video which I have uploaded. That is the fourth program or third, I think so, fourth program I have uploaded. So please check that video. It is same like that only. Only the technique is different here. Technique means what? Only we have to make the format. We have to create a calling function. We have to create a called function, and same thing, same method we have to follow. What it will do? It will compare here and then swap it. Compare, swap it. Understood? Once again I'll tell you, 10, 9, 8, 6, 20 is there. So first it will compare 10 is greater than 9. True. 10 is greater than 9. True. Then what it will do? It will swap. 9 will come front, then 10 will go back. Again 10 is greater than 8. True. Then 8 will come first, then 10 will go back. Like this, at the end 10 will go. So this is just an example which I had given. So like this is the called function, and this is the calling function. This is known as calling function. So enter number of elements. We have entered 5 elements. Enter the elements. So after that we have to enter 5 elements like 10, 20, 30, 40. Sorry, not ascending, in a random way. 20, 10, 9, 15. Like this we have to give the numbers. After that what it will do? It will call this function. Means what? Whatever the array is there, whatever the elements are there, elements, it will pass here. These elements will jump here, that is x. 10, 15, 7, 9, whatever we had given the elements, that element will jump from this A to X, and number of elements like 5, 6 something, the number of size we had given now, that value will jump here. So directly it will jump here, and after that it will work here. Means what? It will start working here. J will be there, I, J, and after that it will start comparing. After comparison, swapping is done. This sorting portion is done. After sorting, what it will do again, after sorting all the elements like 10, 15, 9, 8, 7 something is there. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 like this. After sorting, what it will do, it will move to the here and it will print the sorted element is this one, like 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever the ascending order is there, it will print like that. Only here main thing, what the question is, here the question they have asked is function that accept pointer to an array and sort array of integers. Pointer to an array means what? A plus I, B plus I, A plus I plus J, like that we have to use, like this, X plus J, X plus J. So this is pointer to an array. So this is how it works. So I had given some detailed information here. Please verify it, everything. Okay, thank you. Now after this, just a second, after this what happens? The same thing. Enter the number of elements 4, 4, 2, 1, 7. We have entered the elements. It will sort it and it will show you 1, 2, 4 and 7 as the sorted elements. Thank you.